Welcome to your Lifestyle Videos Market Update. I'm Zoe, your AI guide. Today, we take a look at the 30-day market snapshot for the City of Richmond Hill. Over the past 30 days, sold listings and the average sales price are down for single-family homes in Richmond Hill, with average days on the market down to 16 days. The average sale price is $1,960,000. Turning our attention to condos, sold listings are down, but the average sales price is up, with average days on the market up to 34 days. The average sale price of a condo in Richmond Hill is $740,000. Make the most of your experience here at lifestylevideos.com by watching one of the many real estate-related videos. You can also search for homes to view all current listings in your area. Our team of experts are always here to help, so feel free to connect with one today and embark on your journey towards the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.